Hi, today we are going to learn Microsoft Word. This is one of the most popular Office application in the world. This is a part of the Microsoft Office suite. This video is mainly created for beginners. We are starting from lesson 1 and will cover the basic features of the Word application. Even who don't know have any experience in Word. The first lesson includes create a Word file, writing on Word, change text size, or how to change the text color and how to make it bold, to set up the alignment from the left, center, right, or how to underline it, and how to change the heading format or saving the file. So these are the topics that we are going to cover in this video. So let's open the MS Word. So to open the MS Word, that is Microsoft Word, go to Start button. Find Microsoft Office. Under the Microsoft Office, we can see the Word. Double click on it to open it. Now see the Word is open now. See on the left panel we can see home, new, open, etc. And in the right side we can see different types of template, a blank document over there. See, these are the pre-designed templates for specifically designed for the different categories for the different purposes. See, we can see the different categories like business, cards, flyers, letters. We will cover more about the templates in the upcoming classes. Today we will start with a blank document, okay? Now we have just clicked on the blank document. New. See, I have pasted a dummy content on the paragraph with the heading. Here we are going to learn how to change the size of the text, how to change the color, style, font style, everything. This is the font style available in Word content, which include Caliber, Arial, and also available in different sizes. Here you can see the tools to change the text and size of the font, how to make it italics, bold, etc. I will show you how to do all this. Watch the video carefully. This is how you are going to change the font style. Now I underlined the title and made it bold. I have changed it into italics. Just select on it and change the font colors as you wish. To change the background color, also you can select it. See, I'm changing the font style again and color and making it bold with the underline. You need to select it by dragging with the mouse and then change by using it formatting tool. These are all some basic tools. We definitely need to know all of these. Here I am selecting the content and using different tools. How I am going to change the heading, what that is heading style. Select the heading and increase the size and change the alignment tool to move the heading to center or right. If it's a paragraph or heading, you can set the alignment. Here I am setting the paragraph. By selecting the content, you can move the content and set the alignment. See, I'm dragging the content to left, right. Wherever you want, you can drag it according to your wish. But the foremost and the important thing is that you need to select the content and then click on the tool, formatting tool, to format it. Now here again I'm going to show how to set the alignment. Just for your knowledge, I'm just repeating it again. I'm increasing the font size, underlining it. See, here is the case converter. Now we are going to learn about the case converter tool. That is, now it's a lower case. See, now we are going to change into uppercase. Okay. Uppercase. Here is sentence case. Here we can change sentence or paragraph to different cases like uppercase, lowercase, center case, toggle case, capitalize each case. See, different types of cases are available. This is the case converter tool. Now we can highlight the background color of the paragraph or a line or a sentence as per wish. If you want to highlight a particular word or line, you can highlight it in a different styles available in this key. Here in Microsoft Word, different tools and formats are available. It's very interesting, and we can create awesome documents to make professional document. See now how I'm going to change the color. If you want it in a hollow color, you can make it hollow, shadow, reflection, even if it is glowing, number styles. Different options are available over here. You can make it as you wish. You can make your document so wonderful, so nice, so awesome. Yeah, we're going to use the case converter again over here. See, I'm increasing and decreasing the size of the paragraph. Select the content first and increase it. Each time you click on it, it will start increasing, and the same way if you click on the decrease button, on and on, it will start decreasing it. So the first of all is you need to select the content. Now to copy the content, the most important tool is copy paste. How to copy a content? First, you have to select the content by dragging on it and copy paste it wherever you want. So you can use shortcut on keyboard also to cut copy paste. If you want to cut copy paste in the keyboard on the then you can select to cut to copy Control plus C, and for to copy the content, and plus Control plus V to paste the content, and Control plus X you can cut the selected content. These are some of the shortcut keys available. More I will talk about it in the next classes. For your information, I'm just explaining you more about how to change the size, to change the font style, to increase the size of the content, how to underline it, how to change into italics and bold. See, this is the copy button. Here you have selected the copy button, and now the selected content have been pasted on it. By clicking on the paste button. Next, here we are created a document and we want to save the file. In future we need to print it or open it again, so you need to save the file. So what we need to do is go to the file and click on the save button. Click on the desktop, enter the file name. I have created, this is my first chapter, and save it. Now this file has been saved in the desktop. See, in the desktop you can see the file name. Open it. Now we have learned how to create a Word file and to make changes and to save it. See, we have covered the portions in the lesson 1, how to create a file, writing all the word, to change the text size, color, bold, and to change the alignment to left, center, right, underline it. So we almost covered all the basic features in Word. So in the next lesson we will discuss more about how to create a table on Word or how to create a bullet list. So thank you for watching this video.